Today we're looking at the Enhulk 20-volt battery-powered snow shovel. This is a lightweight, compact snowblower that is easy to use and is very convenient. The 20-volt 4-amp-hour battery and quick charger are included. It simply plugs into the wall to charge it. The battery has a convenient power meter on it to check the charge and lasts up to 20 to 25 minutes of continuous use. It comes in 3 pieces and is easily assembled by twisting the locking sleeve on the bottom portion and on the top portion of the handle. It can be disassembled just as quickly for easy, compact storage. The adjustable front handle is easily connected by twisting on the thumb screw. It has different positions to make using the shovel more comfortable and ergonomic. With a fully charged battery, we are ready to test it out. The battery very easily connects to the top of the handle and clicks into place. There are also 2 buttons that need to be depressed in order for the snow shovel to work. This is for a safety reason, so you must always have your hand on the top handle depressing both buttons to operate the snow shovel. This red lever at the front is the manually adjustable directional plate. It can easily adjust the snow throwing direction as needed. This battery-powered snow shovel has a clearing width of 12 inches. It can throw the snow up to 16.5 feet and can clear up to 6 inches of depth in snow. It does work best with powder snow. This snow I'm working with right here was very wet, very slushy, but it still did a good job at throwing the snow out of the way. With a traditional snow shovel, shoveling this heavy wet snow would get very tiresome and would require pushing the snow to the sides of the driveway and sidewalk, but it would be a very heavy pile. This electric snow shovel allows me to work bigger, longer sections and pushes the snow and throws the snow to help make it an easier job. Even with the battery connected, this electric snow shovel is just less than 10 pounds. It weighs in at 9.7 pounds, so using it is not a back-breaking process like using a manual snow shovel. Because this is lightweight and easy to carry around, it's great for snow removal in tight areas where a traditional snow blower doesn't work as well, and where you would normally use a snow shovel, like on a patio or sidewalk or even stairs. Enhulk also sells additional batteries if you need additional time and would be compatible with the included charger, which would extend your snow blowing time. Even though this is a small, compact snow blowing shovel, I'm impressed with the power that this has to be able to move snow. Even this really slushy, wet snow is easily moved by the snow shovel. Here's an example of how this motorized snow shovel sounds while you're blowing the snow. Here's an example of this snow shovel throwing snow to the side. I like that it has this 30-degree angling blades that allows you to throw it to either side, and it's adjustable. Overall, I'm impressed with this compact, lightweight snow shovel. A few of the features I really like is how lightweight it is. This stores easily on a hook in my garage. It doesn't take up a lot of space, and it is nice that the handle comes apart for more compact storage needs. As I was testing this out, the battery lasted close to 30 minutes of continuous use, and the battery recharges very quickly as well. This is also a good value. It's not very expensive, comes with everything you need right out of the box. It's a great tool to have if you live in an area that gets regular snow and you need to clear off your driveway, sidewalk, and patios. Be sure to see the link for this in the description below and use my coupon code for a discount. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.